fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting sneak peek of a new kit from Oraloa. So I'm just going to jump right in with the unboxing. Let me get it out of the box, and I will be right back for the rest of the sneak peek. Don't go anywhere. Okay, before we get into what this kit is, let me see what else comes with it. It's a soft lint canvas with the scallops on the edges, as are all of Oraloa's. All right, so let's look at what we get first of all. So we get our square drills already in baggies, and there's some ABs. We'll get to that in a minute. We'll get to those in a minute. Let's look in our toolkit. What do we get? So we get a cute little card with a parrot. This is plastic. A cute little card with a parrot on it. We get a cute pair of very pokey purple tweezers. We get a pin with a 3-placer already on it, and then a 9-placer. We get a tray, we get wax, we get a scrunchie, and we get a roll of Oraloa branded washi tape. And then we get a little thank you card. It's got their little tiki, the mermaid with a tiki mask, the turtle, and there's that same pirate parrot with a manta ray. And then your little card. Scratch and find out if you've won a surprise. There's the toolkit. All right, then we have our instruction booklets in various languages. I don't need that. And then we have our Oraloa stickers, and you can see here is the cute Halloween design. It is called Halloween Family, and it's these cute little jack-o'-lanterns all dressed in various costumes with a little haunted house in the background. There's some bats hanging from the trees. Super cute. This is the sticker that you can use for your logbook. And then we have our pre-cut stickers over here. We've got 55 colors with 5 ABs. And again, these are pre-cut on sticker paper, so you can just peel them off. Got our symbols on here, ready to go when we're ready to kit them up. It is a 54 or 52 by 70 centimeters. So I'm not going to be able to get the whole thing on the table here, but I will take, as usual, some B-roll footage so that you guys can see everything. So now let me go grab the canvas. And here is the canvas. So like most of Oraloa, we've got the branding here at the top. You do get a schematic on both sides. Again, we've got 55 colors with 5 ABs. It's nice and clear drill field. One of the things that I like about Oraloa, their cover sheet is a lot thicker than most. I don't know if you can hear the difference, but their cover sheet is just thicker than most diamond painting places, and I really appreciate that. It makes it seem more sturdy somehow. So you can see here we've got the haunted house, the trees, and the bats here in the background. And then scrolling down here to the bottom, we've got our cute little family. This one is dressed like a vampire, a witch, a scarecrow, another witch. Looks like it's got on a little Dracula cape. This one has a skull face. And then this one I think has on a witch's hat as well. So just a cute little Halloween family. It looks like there's going to be a nice mix of some color blocking as well as multi-placing. So several places in the background and like the cloaks and hats and things where there's going to be some nice color blocking, and then lots of places in the jack-o'-lanterns themselves, and probably a few places in the background where it will be confetti. But this is super cute. Okay, so it is 52 by 70, they say. So let's measure. It is 52.5, which they say 52.4. Let me turn it this way, see if it's 70 this way. And it is, yeah, right at 70 that way. So 52.4 by 70. It is Oraloa, of course, so it is nice and sticky. Listen to that. Nice and sticky where you need it to be. Okay, I am going to go get the drills, and let's look at those. Don't go anywhere. All right, here we've got just our regular plain drills. So let's start going through those and seeing what colors we've got. We've got some white, some yellow, salmon, some dark salmon, mauve, light mauve. We've got some dark blue, some kind of pale slate gray. We've got 2 bags of black. I think that's only 2 bags. So 2 bags of black, which isn't a lot for a painting this size. We've got kind of an orangey peach, a brown, a dark blue, a bright blue. We've got like a dark navy blue, a pale blue, a brick red, another bright blue, a light blue. We've got a butterscotch, a green, ooh, pink, a dark purple, and a light purple. We've got 2 bags of 939, again, to be expected for a Halloween painting. We've got a dark brown, a dark kind of pumpkin orange, a pumpkin orange, like a slate gray, a dark green, a brown. We've got a light gray, kind of a burnt red, a purple, a dark blue, kind of a dark brownish red, a light purple. We've got a bright green, a mauve, a very pale mauve, a pale tan, a green, kind of a rose pink, a dark purple, a light blue, a very pale mint blue. We've got kind of a greenish gray, a light brown, another bright blue, a slate blue, and some dark gray. So there are all the regular colors. So that's 50 of those. Let me get those put away, and then we will look at the ABs and where they go on the canvas. All right, so we've got 5 ABs. So let's look at these and where they go. So the first one is this kind of dark purple. This one goes in the background. There's some here in the trees, some here, a few in the shadows. So that's where that purple goes. We've got a light purple AB that also goes in the background here around where the moon is. There's some ABs here surrounding the moon. We've got another kind of dark purple AB. This one is all of the trees back here. All of these, so you're gonna have 2 ABs next to each other there, plus these here, the light purple. So there's all of those. Then we've got this kind of pumpkin brown AB. And as you would expect, this one is kind of sprinkled in through all the pumpkin faces. So that'll be cute. Maybe I'll find some other ones to add in there. And then we've got this yellow AB. And that, as you would expect, is all of the kind of where the jack-o'-lanterns are lit from within. So their eyes, their noses, their mouths, all of those are going to be this yellow AB. It might be fun to find some ABs to kind of accentuate their costumes. Maybe some metal ones for, like, she's got a buckle on her hat there, the witch does. Maybe some ABs here in her little bow and her horns. There's a buckle on this witch's hat as well. So yeah, some fun things that I could add in. So there is all of the colors and the ABs. Hi guys, just wanted to break in here, but I wanted to show you how cute this is turning out. I was actually hoping to have it done, which was probably a little unrealistic of me. I only gave myself about a week to finish it, and I just didn't have time to get it all done. However, I made really good progress. I spent a couple of days working on it pretty hot and heavy, and I think it's turning out really well so far. I'm loving how all of the ABs look, the little ABs in the trees, and then the little ABs here behind the shadows of the moon. And I love the little crooked windows of the house, haunted house right here. And I think the moon is turning out really good. I will say, for as much gapping as you usually get with white. The white here on the edges is great. No problems there. There's a bit of a problem with some gapping here, but that's to be expected. It's way less than I would normally expect, and I think I probably will go back in and do the mica powder trick just to fill in a few places there where you can see the gaps, but the rest of it looks really good. The square drills fit together so nicely. They are just really nice. I just wanted you guys to kind of see what it looks like. I'm slowly working my way down. I'm almost to all of the cute little Halloween people. I've started on the little witch's hat here. Got one little tombstone done. And then as I get closer to the bottom, I will be working my way towards all the cute little Halloween jack-o'-lanterns here with all their little costumes. Yeah, I think it's turning out super well. I haven't had an issue with any of the drills. They've all been great. They're all fitting together nicely. I'm really happy with it. So super stoked to share this with you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show it to you guys. I think it's turning out so well so far, and I can't wait to get it finished. So some of you are still looking for kits for drills and chills. This would be an awesome option. I know Oraloa has been releasing quite a few Halloween kits, so if you see something you like, highly recommend you go and grab it. I'm having a ton of fun. I actually wasn't planning on doing a Halloween kit this year, but yeah, gonna finish this one. All right, back to the video. So this is a new release for them, and it will be available on September 11th. I will stick a link down below so that you guys can find it. Again, this is called Halloween Family. It is 52 by 70, and it is a square, for those of you who like squares, with 55 colors, including 5 ABs. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.